Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start at the title screen. This is where mode switching happens because locked content ties to clear data. Open Extras immediately. Once done, you'll see New Game Plus, separate challenge modes, and difficulty toggles. Make sure you have a completed run or a qualifying save, since many modes remain hidden until cleared. If you don't see a mode, check your save slot and recent clears. Once validated, you can choose the mode and move on to configuration. After opening Extras, pick the specific mode you want, New Game Plus or a challenge run, because each mode alters carryover and rules. Once selected, configure options, toggle difficulty, enable or disable item carryover, and choose starting weapons if available. Take a moment to read modifiers. Some modes change enemy behavior or resource scarcity, so adjusting difficulty and loadout influences pacing and challenge. When satisfied with settings, confirm selection. The game will create or prompt for a new save for that mode. Hit confirm to start the chosen mode, and the game will generate a mode-specific save so you don't overwrite your main run. If a mode is missing, check that you met clear conditions and that the game is updated, because patches can alter unlock requirements. If something goes wrong, back up your save file before retrying or restoring. Backing up prevents accidental loss. Finally, if the mode still fails to appear, restart the game and check the title screen again. This often forces unlock recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.